Today we have this spring to fall cover. It is a blanket for summertime and it's got a very nice design. We're going to open it up and place it on the bed and show you what it looks like. This is a nice close-up look at the product. Laura Ashley full to queen size quilt set. As we open it up, you can see the pattern and the design. Oh, it comes with some extra things. If you do not like the pattern, you have a plain side. I like the pattern, so I'm going to flip this around. Definitely a well-made pattern, definitely a well-made cover, definitely a well-made blanket for your summer. It's a beautiful design and I hope you enjoy your summer blanket.